Beagle, and I've been using Level Up Leads for about 3 weeks now. The experience has actually been really good. I've tried other leads in the past, quite a few different vendors. The thing I really like about these leads is I feel like the ads must be doing what they're supposed to do, which is when I call them, they know that I'm talking about life insurance. They're not just saying, no, I never filled that out, or the typical answers you can hear with a lot of vendors sometimes is they didn't understand what they were filling out, or just thought it was something random or not really life insurance, right? So I would say the intent of getting life insurance is there for sure. And again, they know exactly what I'm talking about. And then as far as the CRM system and the drip campaign that you have all put together has been really good as far as just initiating conversation. Some folks really seem to like just a text rather than even getting on the phone at first. So yeah, it's definitely created just a lot of opportunities as far as the leads themselves go. So I've been impressed with what you've all set up. Wrote 11 applications with you guys thus far. Had a few declines, unfortunately, but that's just the nature of insurance. But I just helped a gentleman, not only with his policy out of actually in Michigan, and we ended up writing all 4 of his kids as well. And it was nice to just be able to help him out. He did have another policy in place, but it was a term, and his children were just riders on it. And I just explained to him if something did happen to that policy or him, that all his kids would lose coverage too, and it would make a lot more sense to just get them individual policies. So that's what we ended up doing. But if I had to pick a challenge with some of the leads, which is again is common across the board no matter where you go, but just with some of the health concerns, or maybe not having a bank account set up, which just makes it hard to write a policy because you're just limited on your choices at that point. But again, I wouldn't say that's necessarily just a challenge with only Level Up Leads. That's a challenge no matter where you go. You're going to run into that. So but yeah, I don't know. It would be hard, honestly, to just say there's a challenge. It's just get to work, get on the phone, make calls, and make sales. Like, that's it. On the fence. Well, again, just from my own experience, right? I've tried out a lot of different vendors, and I can't say that I've personally come across any vendor that's been better than this. End of the day, a lead's a lead, right? Like, you still got to be able to call them, talk to them, and you're still going to have the occasional person that's maybe not ready or just was kind of shopping around. But I would say that, again, I'm just getting a lot of good intent. Folks are wanting the life insurance. They're answering the phone. I'm not getting, bad numbers for the majority. Which I find sometimes even with other vendors. Again, that's a lot of things I've seen. And so you feel like you're wasting your money sometimes on those when that happens. And I haven't seen that here. And I've bought quite a few leads thus far. So it's been a good experience. And as far as just being on the fence, end of the day, if you want to make money, you need opportunities, and opportunities are through leads, meaning you can call somebody and talk to somebody. And so there's a greater opportunity here to make a lot of money through these lead program.